Why do you always want me to suck your wiener?
Oh.
You don't know?
Because I got a big one.
You got a big what?
I got a tiny Tim.
You got a tiny... She's got a tiny Tim. No, you don't.
That's awkward.
Tiny Tom. That's what.
That's just awkward.
That is awkward.
I'm going to bed.
Aww, why?
You guys are talking about penises. No! I don't want to be naked. Look, a lot of stuff is coming at me.
Thanks for the blanket.
I want my blankie.
Your blankie. This is my bed, bitch.
It's soft. I'll kick you in your vagina. I'll kick your pussy cat. You kick your pussy cat. I told Tom to kick your pussy cat. Kick her pussy cat. She take away my feet. Tell her to stop. I don't want to touch her feet. Her feet scare me. They're bigger than mine. Butt cheeks.
Butt cheeks?
I miss my butt cheeks.
You miss your butt cheeks?
Yes. People are gonna think that's all.